Alright, I'm going to show you how to get these wipes into your course. You got this, that, it's kind of cool. So you go to View, Slide Master, and we're going to talk about this JavaScript. The first part is we're going to inject some CSS just once. So it says if it's injected, don't do it again, and it will be injected true right here. We're going to do some preliminary CSS to undo some of the animations we got, and some of the CSS, just this part right here, and right here, this is the animation that we're going to be doing. It's going to be a border of 2. This is going to be, we have the hover wipe color, text color, a wipe color right here. So we're doing all this CSS, and we're just doing it once. And then we're going to tell what direction, what we're going to do down here. And that is right, left, up, and down. And that's pretty much it. The thing that you need to worry about is this right here. This is the once you have all this, you just call it once, and this would be the color, direction, and the color of the text. So I'm going to press cancel, and I'm going to preview it again. You'll notice that there's that the text turns white as it wipes over, because a lot of times the black text on here may not be readable, and so it's just, for me, I just do white most of the time unless it's like yellow. So you're going to go copy here to bring it to your course. Go to View, Slide Master, go to the top of the slide in your Slide Master and press paste. And then if you want to change the color rather than the one that is currently here, just put it right here. Let's just change it to one of these colors right here. Let's do this color. Just copy that and move that out of the way, and we can put that color right here. And then we're going to say right, and let's just say black, just for fun. I'm going to preview this and see how this slide is. So yeah, there you have it. If you want to change your player color, you can do that, and that will affect it a little bit. So let's just change this to white real quick, and preview the slide again. This slide only has the next button because it's just the one slide. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward process. I hope you have fun with it. Thank you.